glitch, yeah? Oh. Welcome to Gucci Slime Shop. So this girl gave me an order right here. And guess what she said? She said 1 pearl slime, no shaving cream slime. So the pearl slime is this slime.
Oh, it's pretty.
It's not on the back of my leg. Got some pearl slime with no shaving cream. Woo! It's good. Yes. And she wants a no shaving cream slime. So this, it's kind of yellow, but you know what? We need some color, and I'm gonna add, the color is right in front of the camera. Since she did not say any color, so I'm just gonna add brown slime. She can have some brown slime. It's gonna be disgusting. It's not mine, it's hers. My slimes would be like mint green and all pretty. But I'm letting her have this slime. Because who likes brown slime? She might like brown slime, but this has no shaving cream in it. It's a slime without any shaving cream. Did you see me secretly put shaving cream in? No, now I'm going to send those. Send.
Oh, so excited! Let's get some swag from Miss One Shop from Lacey. I can make a sundae. This is my no shade queen, no shade queen, no shade queen, yeah. With my poo slime. This is my poo slime. My poo slime. My poo slime.
Okay, I'm back. Now I'm making this weird slime that I'm sure people hate, and I'm making it because haha. Making one more slime, and people might not like it. It's gonna be a mini slime. So first, you add white glue. If it will come out. This isn't new. I'm adding all this, Mommy.
All what?
Of the white glue, because it's like, there's barely any left.
Okay.
Sorry if this is boring. We got some of that in. Now we need to get sticky. Now, oh, that's a little. Do I have a mixing utensil?
Princess, I need to start cleaning up.
Almost done. Whoa, that looks cool. It is a clear white slime. I thought that was gonna be funky. So first, lots. So look at that. Now add. Now. Now I gotta start mixing it up. It's everyday bro. Sis versus bro. It's everyday bro. Ooh, ooh, oh my God. Sorry, I had to wash my hands. That time was stucky. I need more glue. Yeah. Doesn't look as bad as it is. But I have to add glue. Can you believe it? Maybe. Just. That was a fail, a total fail. It's not. I mean, I could try to save it, but it just would be way too much. It's disgusting. Bye, guys.